taken decision to go in for ordinance of anti-conversion law. Now we will not call it anti-conversion law, we will call it as protection of religious these things.
And so there will be some amendment or what?
No amendment. Without any amendment, whatever was passed in the assembly will be made as ordinance.
It has been brought to my notice today that the Karnataka Cabinet of Ministers has recommended to the Governor of Karnataka to pass an ordinance to enforce the protection of the freedom of religion bill in Karnataka. This is sad and surely it will affect the harmonious relationship that we enjoy with members of all the communities in Karnataka. There has been no incidents neither of conversion nor of aggressive incidents against the community. We cannot understand the sudden tone of the events, what is there in the mind of the government with the ordinance in hand. There is no doubt that the fringe elements and groups will try to create problems for the members of our community, as we have seen in the past, and the government is in no control of them. In the right democratic tradition, the Christian community members will appeal to the governor, not give an assent to the bill. Given the nature of the involvement of the Christian community in wider development of state and community in the matter of education, healthcare and social welfare, we are law-abiding citizens and will surely put our trust in the government to protect our interests and concerns. We have no difficulty in the government taking action against any excess or unlawful activities that are noticeable with concrete proofs. We have every hope that the governor, who is the head of the state, will heed to our appeal and address our concerns by not assenting to the bill on anti-conversion in Karnataka.